afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we're making clam pizza with red sauce, and I'll show you how to tell when your dough is perfectly mixed. Pizza dough is very similar to Pluto. When the pizza dough clears its debris field, it's actually dough and ready to stop kneading. As this one, you can see, hasn't quite completely cleared its debris field, so it has to keep on going. Okay, we're going to stop this. See, it hasn't cleared its debris field on the bottom. So I'm going to add just a little bit more flour on the side like that. And then we will turn the machine back on and watch it clear its debris field. There we go. There we go, kneading away nicely, picking up extra flour. There it goes. There we go. See? You can see the bottom, it's cleared, it's clearing its debris field. Fantastic. You are now a planet. How exciting. Just kidding. Pizza, not a planet. We kneaded her by hand a little bit, and now she's been oiled and she's sitting in her little bowl. And we're going to put her top on. This is a shower cap. It's reusable, so it's nice and eco-friendly. And now we're going to cover up. This is a heater. See, you have the towel on top of the heater so it doesn't get too hot. And then we put the cover over her, and she goes to sleep. We'll see you in a little bit, and we'll make pizza out of you. Okay. And here she is, ready to go. And here she is, our wonderful clam and red sauce pizza with fresh, beautiful tomatoes. Okay, we're going to let this cool off a little bit, and then we're going to try it. And I cut a little slice over here. I'm going to have this. Taste it for you. So meltingly. Wonderful. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. See you next time on Good Plate.